whoops, I hit stop. Do I continue this game, like use little coin, or do I start again? And I can make that decision now. Continue. Let's continue, just for fun. Okay, I don't even remember where that was. It was here. Was it that? Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna need to move my phone. Move it over a little bit so I can see what I'm doing on the screen. My goodness. Don't know why I'm struggling so much. There we go. There we go. That's something. Oh. Okay, let's think about this. One of these has to be one, which means that is not. This has to be a bomb. There we go. Which means that's one. Oh, no, I'm not sure about that. Let's come at it from over here. There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's a 6. It's so tricky in here. I like when there's just an easy streak. That makes that easy, so we're a little bit stuck there. Let's go over here. Oh, okay, in this situation, I feel like this has to be the bomb, right? Yeah. Okay, we're getting there. I have a feeling that I'm gonna make some mistakes, but we will do what we can. One of these has to be a bomb, but one of these has to be a bomb, which means that these are both bombs, because one of those is not. One of these has to be a bomb, but this and this could be a bomb. And only one of these is a bomb. Oh, I'm stuck. Let's try somewhere else. Up here, one of these has to be a bomb. But that's a guess, no idea what's behind here. There's only one of the, okay, wait, one of these has to be a bomb, which means these are not. What else has to be? Only one out of all of this is a bomb. What are the chances it's that? Oh, that was a lucky one. So that's gonna be a guess, a gamble. One of those, okay. One of these has to be a bomb. Which means, oh no, I was wrong. Okay. Let's see how long this ad takes. I think it's gonna be long. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. We're gonna continue. That was the bomb, so I was wrong. Oh my gosh, because I miscounted it. That 4 was already touching all of them. That's why. I mentioned already that I'm tired. 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of these has to be a bomb, which means, oh, I was wrong again. I don't know what that is. Now we're just going to be using coins, I think, until the end. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue. That was a bomb. Okay, why was I wrong about that? Oh, because it has to 2. It has to touch 2. Yeah. Whoopsie doopsies. All right. So we still have the top here. Whoa, that was a mistake and that was lucky. I didn't mean to touch it, but okay. I just helped myself out there a little bit. That's done. I was just going to point out the areas where one of those, we have the down deep in this corner here, and then we have over here, and there are 9 bombs left. So we know there's 1 here, and then there's 4 here, I think, so that's 5. Oh my gosh. I don't have it in me to figure that out. Anyways. I really don't know. This is a 1. I feel like when there's a 1, it's almost like, okay, let's see if I mess this up. No, it was right. Good. When there's that kind of string and then there's just a 1 there, it's usually that is where the 1 is. So that was lucky. Here, I don't know. There are 6 bombs left. 1. Maybe there are 3 here, 2 here, and 1 there. There are 3 bombs up here. One of these has to be a bomb. And one of these has to be a bomb. And one of these has to be a bomb. And one of these has to be a bomb. So if it was 3, if we had 1, 2, 3, like this. Nope, I was wrong. Okay. I tried. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was a bomb there. So that's not. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, there are 3 bombs left. One of them is here. One of them is here, and that means one down here at the bottom is 1. So 1 in this row. There can only be 1 in this row and 1 down here. So I think I just have to guess. And guess. Oh, what are the chances of that? I'll count it down. 10, 9, 8. I think this is a long ad. 7. Oh, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What did I just do? Oh, that was a bomb down there. Which means that these aren't. One of these ones is a bomb, but which one is it? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Ah, lucky. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Nope, wrong. 10. And this is a long 9. Oh, no. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, friends. Yay! How many coins did I use? 100? 200? 500? I don't know. I've got enough coins to do that for a while. That's all.